Alright. January 2014. Question 3b and question 5b from the same year. So this is question 5b. Alright, please listen. It says the diagram below is an accurate plan of the floor of a room. All the corners are right angles. All measurements shown on the diagram are recorded to the nearest meter. So the lengths are what? Meter, and all the corners are what? Are rectangle. It says, state in terms of x the length L of the floor. So we need to state in terms of x the length L of the floor. We need L in terms of x. Alright, let's see if we can try something. Would you agree that this length here is the same as this length here? Fine. This piece here says what? X. So up here says what? Here says what? X. So up here says what? 2x. So this is L and this is also L, don't it? Yes, sir. Fine. So I would say that L is equal to x plus 5 plus 2x. Do you agree? Yes, sir. What is x plus 2x?
3x plus 5.
This is 3x plus 5. Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
Right. Aye. Are you ready? The perimeter of the floor is what? Is 56 meters. Determine the value of what? X. So the perimeter, what does perimeter mean? So the perimeter, let's add up everybody. Start here, so. So this is what? X plus what? X plus what?
3
plus
5
plus
x
plus
2x
plus
3
plus L, don't it? But L is what?
x plus 5
3x plus 5, and this perimeter is equal to what? 56. Therefore, x plus x is 2x plus x 3x plus 2x, that's what? 5x plus 3x, that is what? 8x. Do you agree? 2x, 3x, 6x plus 2x, that is what? 8x. Now let's get the numbers. 3 plus 5 is what? 8. Plus what? Another 8, don't it?
Yes, sir.
So that is what? 16 is equal to what?
56.
Therefore, 8x is equal to minus. Therefore, 8x is equal to, divide both sides by what? So x is equal to what? 8 meters.
5.
Sorry, I just checking for the looking. Every now and then I do these things. You know, my right foolish is just to see for the looking. So, this is what? X is what? X is 5 meters. Then it says calculate the area of the what? Of the floor. Calculate the area of the floor. Can I show you how I would do it? I would find the area, the entire area, and then minus the area here and minus the piece here. Would you do it like this? I don't have to do it like that. I would find, what I'm saying is, I would find the entire area. Length multiplied by width. Then I would take away this piece and what? This piece. You understand? Find the area, the entire thing. L is what? L is what? 3x plus 5. But x is what?
5.
L is what? 3x plus 5. But x is what? 3 5.
15
plus 5. 20 meters. So L is what? You might not talk to me. L is what?
25.
20. No. This, sorry, are you ready? This is what? And this is what?
3.
But x are what?
25.
5 plus 3 is what?
8.
So this entire length over here, so, is what? Is 8. Do you agree? So this is 2x. Do you agree that this is 10?
Yes, sir.
And this is what? X, which is what?
5.
This is x, which is what?
5.
The area of the shape. This is what Mia said. Area of shape. Is equal to 20 by 8. 20 by 8 give me the area of the entire thing. 20 by 8 gives me the area of the entire thing, don't it?
Yes, sir.
Now we're going to take out the piece here. And take out the what? The piece here, don't it? The piece here is what? 5 by what?
3.
5 by what?
3.
Minus 5 by 3. The piece here is what?
10
By what?
5.
Minus 10 by 5. I found the area of the entire thing, then take out them two little pieces there, and what is left is my shape, don't it? This is what? 160? Minus what? 15? Minus what? 50? So this is what? 65? The answer is what? 95. And this is what? Meters square. 95 square meters. Did you get it?
No, sir.
If you wanted to, you could have done it differently. You could have segmented.
Yes, sir.
You could have segmented like that. We already work out that this is what?
3.
So in here, so would be what? 5, 8 by 5. Don't it? This is what? X is what? 5. X is what?
5.
And X here, so? So this is 5 times 5. Over here, so this is what? 10. And here says what?
3.
So this is what? 10 by what? 3. So this is what? 25. This is what? 40. And in here, so it would be what?
30.
30. I don't want to see if I get 95. This is what? 70 plus 25 is what? All roads leading to what? 95. You should not have gotten it wrong. So I could have done it. I did it two ways. I found the entire thing, then take out a piece here and a piece here. Or I could what? Segment it and read what? Piece. Okay. Next, are you ready? Next, keep out of the question. Sorry. Question 5b, the same year. We're told that what? The diagram below, not drawn to scale, shows a block of metal in the shape of a prism. The cross section of the block is a trapezium PQRS with parallel sides QR and what? PS. And QP is what? The perpendicular distance between the sides. Okay, fine. So of all these lengths, 3 meters, 12 meters, 15 meters. Fine. There's a 6 meter too. We didn't put it in. Here, so it's 6 meters. QR is 6 meters. Then they say now to us, calculate the area of trapezium PQRS. Area of the trapezium. This is equal to what? A half A plus B times what? H. A and B are the two parallel sides. They tell us what are the parallel sides. What are the parallel sides? A and B are the parallel sides. What are the lengths of the parallel sides? You tell me. Lord, appear me to be a side.
QR and PS.
So this is a half. 6 plus what? 12. Times H. H is the perpendicular distance between the two sides. Which is what?
15 centimeters.
This is a half of 20 times 15. This is 150 centimeters squared. As I said, A and B are the two what? Parallel sides. A and B are the two parallel sides. A and B, two parallel sides. H is the perpendicular distance between them. But the man, I'll tell you, in telling the two parallel sides, I'll tell you what is the perpendicular distance between them. Sorry? As I said, I was checking if I'm looking.
Sir, I mistaken me.
No, sir. 18. A half of 18 is what? 9. 9 times 15 is 135. Just checking if I'm looking.
Sir, why you burn here?
Are you ready? Did you get it?
No, sir. What was it going to be?
Given that ST is 3 meters, calculate the volume of the block. The volume is equal to AH. What is A? What is H?
15.
Madness. H is 3. Because I tell you, if the cross section flat, the height is going to be what? Vertical. The cross section is what? Flat. So the height has to be what?
Vertical.
The height is what? 3. Multiply and tell me what you get. Is it 4? What is it?
405.
This is 405 centimeters cubed. Nobody listens. Next.
It's the block of
Has a mass of what?
1.5 kilograms. Calculating grams the mass of 1 cubic centimeter of metal.
Alright. So the block here measures what? 1 point what?
5 kilograms.
So the 400 and what? 405 centimeters cubed is what? 1.5 kilograms. 1.5 kilogram is 1,000 grams. So 1.5, sorry, it is 1,000 grams that makes what? 1 kilogram. So 405 centimeters cubed is 1,500 grams. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
They want the weight of what? 1. If you know the weight of 405, to find out the weight of 1, what must you do? Divide both sides by 405. 1 centimeters cubed is equal to, divide into what you get?
3.7.
How much? 3 point what?
7.
7 what?
707.
707?
No,
So
7037.
3.703.
03?
Yeah.
So it's 3.7 grams. 1 centimeter cubed is 3.7 grams. Ladies and gentlemen, let us push ourselves because failure is not an option.